All American Autowire Classic update kits are designed to work with either factory or aftermarket gauges. The dash wiring in each kit features a removable gauge cluster harness that allows for much more flexibility than most original harnesses. If you're planning to use a factory gauge cluster, our kit will include instructions detailing those connections for you. Please be aware our kits don't include connections or instructions for an original ammeter, so you won't find that documentation with the new harness. We have a separate video detailing our reasoning for that decision, so if you'd like to find out more, be sure to check our video titled, Why American Autowire Classic Update Kits Do Not Support Ammeters. If you're installing an aftermarket gauge setup, you'll want to reference our instructions along with those provided by the gauge manufacturer to determine where the power and signal wires provided by our kit will go. Aftermarket gauges might also use specific sending units that could be specified or provided by the gauge manufacturer. These will work with our harness and will not drastically change the installation of your kit. The cluster side of the harness will be packaged as a standalone subkit, which allows you to wire the back of your gauges as needed outside of the car. Once your connections are complete, you'll plug them into the mating connectors pre-built into the dash and proceed with the next part of your installation. This process means you can avoid wiring your gauge cluster while upside down under the dash, and also means it's easier to pull the gauges out of the car in the event you need to change a bulb or service the gauges in the future.